Hi. We are now on the 56th level with Andrei Kahovich, who is going to provide us with his comments on the removal of the core formwork. We can see that everything has been removed from the top and carried down. Tell me what's going on. No, not everything yet. We all could watch how the forms were assembled, and the very last step after the assembly was the installation of the heated enclosure. The formwork removal occurs in reverse order, naturally. We begin with removing the enclosure. It has been finished already. The tents and mats have been removed, and then all the forms go down as well in reverse order. Andrei, while the formwork is being removed, is there any installation process taking place as well here? I've noticed the column reinforcement is being bound there. Yes, we're binding only vertical structures now, as our formwork has reached the 68th floor, and we cannot butt weld these structures to the slab on the 68th level before we remove the formwork. That's why ING are now understaffed, and they're doing only reinforcement and assembling columns on the floor. We still have to concrete 5 columns there. Besides, ING Group asked us to remove the formwork on the west tower side. They have installed frames there already, so as soon as the first outer board is removed, they get access to the reinforcement sleeves and screw in the dowels for the 68th floor. So concrete works have not been stopped. No, don't panic. Concrete works keep running, although the tempo of work leaves much to be desired. But this is temporary. What is the big crane taking down now? We just saw how the planks from the round columns formwork were being taken down in a cage and offloaded to the footprint. That's wrong. It's not formwork planks, it's flooring boards. If you remember, we had several levels of formwork. We could go down and up where the crane beam was. So now all that plywood is being removed, and we put the boards and crossbars together and take them down. So all those tiers we and the workers walked on were temporary, made just of planks. Sure, that was temporary flooring. Now we are taking it down, and we'll get just the bare steel frame, which we have sometimes to cut, sometimes to unbolt. What about the heating cable running through the columns? We met some IMG workers who were measuring the voltage inside those columns. So they are still being heated there? Sure, concrete curing takes 2-3 days right after concrete placement. So in the column body there is a cable wound through, and then we place concrete there and energize the cable. The wire under voltage becomes hot and heats the concrete. Great. So it's all alive as long as it is warm. Yes. We have an agreement with the quality test lab that when they start their tests... Oh yes, I've seen them. They're here upstairs. Where? On the 61st level. What are they doing there? They're testing the concrete quality with special instruments, by drilling, hammering. Yes, both. There are lots of methods. Thanks a lot for your time and assistance. Watch your videos at patok8.com. Sure, great.